What is up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well today. As you guys can tell by today's video title, I am going to be customizing some more items to give away to you guys. I did this twice a couple of months ago now. One of them was last year actually, where I customized a bunch of shoes to give away. I customized some Air Force Ones. I also customized some Vans as well as Converse. A few months after that, I also did a video where I customized denim jackets, which I also gave away to you guys. This time around, I thought, what can I do that will be literally so flexible for everybody? It doesn't matter what size or shape you are. And I landed on handbags. I thought a handbag is just gonna be for everybody. So for today's video, I'm gonna be customizing 3 handbags, which I'm gonna be giving away at the end of this video. Now, a couple of weeks ago, I did a little poll on Instagram to basically let you guys know I was doing this, but also to kind of give you guys some input as to what was gonna be customized on these bags. I basically asked you, what are your favorite animes right now? Which ones should I do? And I basically went from there. So I hope you guys are excited to see what animes are gonna be illustrated on these handbags. I feel like mini handbags are super trendy right now, so I went for these 3, this one, and this slightly more baguette style bag. Anyways, if you guys wanna find out how to win one of these customized bags by yours truly, stay till the end of this video because that's where I'm gonna be talking about how to enter. But I guess without further ado, we've got these lovely handbags to customize, so let's get into it. Alright guys, so starting out, we're gonna be customizing this first bag right here. Now, down to popular vote on my stories on Instagram, you guys decided that one of the animes that I should definitely customize on one of the bags is Nana, which is my absolute favorite. I mean, if you couldn't tell by my strawberry glass from Nana. So my plan for this one is to, of course, put Nana and Hachi on this bag, so let's get to it. Okay, so this is what I've sketched out. We've got Hachi on the left and Nana Osaki on the right. This is that famous scene when Nana kisses Hachi and she's like really startled, so I thought that would be really cute for this bag. I'm also putting on the Nana soundtrack to really get myself in the mood. By the way, in case you guys are wondering, I'm using these markers right here from this brand. I actually got these on Amazon. They were fairly cheap, and these are actually waterproof markers, so they won't come off. So these are perfect for projects like this. So I guess let's get started. So after a good few hours, the bag is finally complete, and this is what it looks like. I am so happy with how this turned out. I also thought I would add the Nana logo on the back so it kind of looks like a authentic merch kind of item, and I'm so happy I did because I feel like it really completes the bag. One thing I definitely want to mention is how freaking difficult this was to paint on. This canvas is so tricky because it's got that kind of like faux crocodile skin to it, so there's a lot of texture. At the start, I also really struggled with the skin tone. I feel like I didn't have a pale enough pen to use for Nana because obviously she's quite pale. So at the start I really panicked because she literally looked like she had a bad fake tan and it was orange. But I think I managed to fix it. I think they look pretty good now. So yeah, let me know what you guys think of this bag. Do you think it resembles the 2 Nanas? I feel like it definitely does. By the way, if you guys want to see how to enter to win one of these bags, definitely stay tuned till the end because I'll be explaining everything. But I guess let's move on to the next bag. Okay, so for the next bag, we're going to be customizing this little one right here. Now this is a pretty nice shape because it's quite square. As you guys can see, this one also has that crocodile kind of texture to it, so this is definitely not going to be an easy one. Now let's refer back to the story replies. So a lot of you guys were saying you wanted Naruto, a lot of you guys were saying you wanted Death Note. Now if you know me, you know that I absolutely love Death Note, so I just had to do Death Note. I'm not sure if you guys can see that, but I've just sketched out light and L on this side. It's very, very faint, but this is perfect to give me a guideline. So I guess let's get started.
Perfect. Perfect.
And just like that, we have another bag that's completely finished. I love how this turned out. It was very difficult, especially drawing L, because there's a lot of detail and it was very, very small. Also, that just happens to be part of the bag where the texture is really, really tricky to draw on, so that was a nightmare. Also, where I've placed L just happens to be the most textured part of the bag, which was literally a nightmare to draw on. But regardless, it's finished and I love how it looks. I hope you guys like it too. But now moving on to the very last bag, we are going to be drawing and customizing on this long baguette bag. I had so many ideas for this design, but because you guys really wanted Demon Slayer, I thought it's only right to do Demon Slayer on the last bag. So for this, I'm envisioning one half being Nezuko and the other one being Tanjiro, so kind of like really close up. I think that will look really cool. So this is what I've sketched out. We've got Nezuko on the left and we've got Tanjiro on the right. and just like that, the Demon Slayer bag is finally finished. This is what it looks like. I'm obsessed with how this turned out, and I feel like now that I've done it 3 times that this was the easiest and quickest to do. Honestly, I'm super proud of this one. It looks amazing. All right, guys, so here are all the bags, all finished in all their glory. After a whole day of working on these, I can finally say it was worth the time. I really wanted to do something special for you guys because today's video is actually a celebration. I didn't mention it at the start, but today is my 10th year anniversary on YouTube. So as a massive thank you to all of you guys for supporting me along the way, whether you're an old subscriber or a new subscriber, honestly, it really means the world to me that you guys are here. It literally wouldn't be where I am without you guys. So as a little thank you, I wanted to give back to my community. Hence why I'm doing this custom giveaway. So I really hope you guys like them. Let me know in the comments below which one of these bags is your favorite. And also, if you guys want me to do more videos like this, definitely let me know what kind of animes you would like me to put on future items. But now is the moment you've all been waiting for. How do you actually enter to win one of these bags? So the rules are pretty simple. All you guys have to do is be subscribed to this channel because of course I want to give back to my subscribers. And then the other rule is just follow my Instagram, which is just at Roxxsaurus, same as this channel. So I will be checking if you guys have followed those 2 rules. And then in order to enter, all you have to do is just leave a comment on this video below which bag you want to win, and then also share your social media handle, so it could be Instagram, Twitter, whatever, just so that I have a way to contact you guys. The only thing I want to say, definitely do not believe those Telegram scam messages that I've been seeing all over YouTube. I get them on my videos all the time. It is not me, you guys. If I message you, it will be from my verified account that I use, such as Instagram or Twitter. The winner will be announced in the pinned comment down below on this video, so make sure you guys come back in 2 weeks time. I'll have all the info in the description, and that is how I'll announce the winners. But that is it. I am so happy with how these bags turned out. Honestly, they look so cool, and I cannot believe how challenging this was. Thank you guys so much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye! Mwah.